Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I bring you some golden nuggets, so I totally recommend that you stay until the end of the video because I'm going to show you which one is the easiest side hustle to make money online. What I did, this is my starting point in this slide, is I went to the browser and I actually searched for this topic, right? The easiest side hustle to make money online. And this is the list of side hustles that came back to me from the browser. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you, why some of these things are not easy or don't work for you if you want to make money online. So from the list, the first side hustles that I'm going to remove are these ones. Just because when I think about making money online, it also means that I'm doing it from home. And so delivering groceries or dog walking or taking photographs and some of the things that you see on the list, you cannot actually just be on the computer and just do that full time if you want. You have to be outside of the house, right? And so that's why I'm removing them first. Next, I'm removing some other items because you may be home, but actually you are not making money online. And these are things like cleaning or babysitting or dog sitting. Those are more traditional type of side hustles, and so they are not in my list when I think about making money online. The next things that we are going to remove from this list is these items that you see here, because these items are not for everyone. So I'm trying to find which one is the easiest side hustle for me, for you, and for everyone else who may have or not experience in a particular topic. And so obviously, if you are like a freelancer in something else, maybe then this video is not for you because you already have an income. If you have the capacity to rent out your clothes or your bags, that's because then you've bought some Chanel or some other type of handbags and you can rent them out. Then you wouldn't be looking for a way for making money online if you can buy those anyway. And the same with renting your house for vacationers, right? If you have a big house with enough space so you can rent some of the rooms, then maybe this video is not for you. And so in summary, I'm trying to find the easiest one for everyone, and that's why I remove these items from the list. The next two that I'm removing from the list are social management and virtual assistant. And the reason is because you will be competing with many other people who are overseas. So you will realize that when you have a store that is working, if you do e-commerce or if you do print on demand and some other things, at some point, if you want to scale, you have to start getting some help. And there are many platforms out there that will allow you to hire someone from South America or from Eastern Europe or from Asia as well, where the price per hour is going to be much cheaper, so you'll be competing with them. And that's why I'm removing them from the list. The next one I'm removing is surveys, right? And I call this one, as you can see, bull. You know what I mean? The reason is I have another video in my YouTube channel where I give an example of this. I spent an hour doing surveys to see how much money I could make. I sat down, I did a bunch of them as much as I could, one after the other, back to back. And you know how much I made? $1.89. So that was my experience. I don't think that's profitable for you or scalable, and that's why I'm removing it from the list. The next items that I'm removing from this list are dropshipping and t-shirts. I've done both of them, and the reason I'm removing them is because for the majority of people out there, they will have lots of problems with them. Meaning, like t-shirts, you have to deal with refunds and people who are not happy with the way the t-shirts were printed and the quality and the colors and all that stuff. So it's not really scalable as much as I would like those businesses to be. And the same with drop shipping. Bringing stuff from overseas, from Alibaba and all those things, you'll have lots of problems. Sometimes the quality is not there. You never touch the product. It gets sent from the factory overseas to the final buyer. And sometimes those deliveries get lost and you have lots of complaints. So I don't think that's a business that is easy for anyone who's starting. And for that reason, I'm removing them from the list as well. The next one I'm removing is blogging. I call this type of business a satellite. And if you keep watching a few more seconds, you'll understand why. The next one I'm removing from the list is selling digital products on Etsy. If you sell, for example, things that you make, like bracelets or earrings, then that's a different story because you have a skill, you can make something and you can sell it there, and you'll have a store up and running in no time. But the problem is if you don't have those type of skills and you need to sell digital products, setting that type of business up is complex. Meaning I have a store like that and I need to create the designs with Midjourney. Then I need to upscale them for the right quality. then I need to cut them in different sizes and different aspect ratios. Then I need to put the package together with some mock-ups and then sell them and take care of all that stuff. So I'm trying to teach this to my daughters and for them to do it going forward. But I can tell you it's complex to set it up. You can spend the time and learn it. I have some videos in my channel about this, but it's going to take you some time, and I don't think it's the easiest of the side hustles. This brings me to the runner-up, what I call the YouTube ecosystem, and it's actually a combination of these four items that you see on the screen. The way to do it is summarized in this page. So basically, you start with the YouTube channel, right? Like in my case, the channel I'm creating right now. And for this, you just have to pick a topic that you find interesting, that is a bit of your passion. Like in my case, I like talking about investing and startups and the stock market and stuff like that. So that's the type of content that I publish in my channel. So the objective here is to take your subscribers to, let's say, 50,000, okay? Once that's done, then you move to the next step. And the next step is about creating a course. In that course, you will tell people how you did it and the steps that they need to follow in order to get there as well. The next item in the ladder is to become a coach. And what that means is you will have some people attending your course that actually want you to spend more time with them. They want you to teach them a bit more like one-on-one, how to become a bit more successful faster, or how to take their channel to the next level. So you can charge a premium for those type of services. The next step is to complete this with affiliate marketing. Now you have set up a course, you have a website where you are storing all those videos, you are providing some coaching services, and then what you want to do is to have the people who attend your course to use the same software that you are using. And so if they do that, then you receive like a fee or royalty every month for the payments they make into that platform as well. Once that's done, now you can start thinking about repurposing the content. And what this means is you need to find 3 or 4 people who can help you go through your content. You will have already created a lot of content at this point, so you want those people to go through that content and make 30-second clips and for them to publish them in like accounts that belong to you inside the main social platforms. With this, you will create lots of views, and there is a link in all those accounts that go back to your course and to your coaching services. And the next and final step in this ladder is for you to take all that content that you are repurposing and now publish it as a blog or publish it as a podcast. That's why I call the blogging as a satellite, because I believe it's part of this type of ecosystem more than just starting a blog on itself. And with this, let me show you right now which one is the easiest side hustle that you can do to make money online. It's Amazon Kindle Publishing. And the reason for that, it's a business that is very easy to set up. It can be set up by anyone. It's very easy to scale because actually here you are not writing the books yourself. What you are doing is creating books that all the pages are the same. This type of business is related to journals and diaries. And so you can create one design and then a second design and then a third design very quickly once you know how to do it. I also like this type of business because it's very cheap to set up and to scale. It's costing me only $10 a month, and what I do is I repurpose the designs I create with Midjourney for my Etsy store. I use them as covers for the books I publish through Amazon Kindle Publishing. So at this point, I have to recommend you that you watch this video here because it's a video where I show you how you can make $5,000 on a monthly basis by publishing this type of books. I hope you like all these golden nuggets. I hope you like the content of this video. If so, it would be very helpful for me if you please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and send me any questions as a comment. I'll respond to any questions that you have. Thank you so much for watching, and talk to you soon.